First, I know you like push this down, it's gonna pop right off. Twist it to the left, all the way up, like that. The stock one, just throw it away. And this is the Chinese ripoff one. I think it looks okay for $20, you know. Looks legit leather. Let's see. Will this fit? Oh. Yeah, probably just hand tight. Do not over tighten it. You gotta break something. Let's see. Probably just center it. I think that's good enough. Doesn't need to be perfect because you're not gonna be eyeballing every time. You can notice it like that. Just centered it up. I think it's centered. So there you go. AliExpress TRD PRO Shift knob. Worth $20. Better, so much better than the stock one.